In this video, you'll learn how to run Claude Code inside Docker on a Windows system. By following these steps, you will successfully set up Docker, create a project folder, and run your Python scripts within a Docker container. Begin by installing Docker Desktop. Navigate to the official Docker website and locate the Docker Desktop for Windows section. Click the download link to begin the installation process. During the installation, ensure you enable the WSL2 backend, as this is recommended for optimal performance. If necessary, also check the box to use Windows containers. Once the installation is complete, open PowerShell to confirm the installation by typing docker-version and Docker Compose version. This step verifies that Docker is correctly installed on your system. Next, you need to create a project folder for your Claude Code files. In PowerShell, input mkdir c users, your name Claude Docker, replacing your name with your actual Windows username. This command creates a new directory specifically for your project. After that, navigate into this directory by typing cd c users, your name, Claude Docker. This sets the current working directory to your newly created project folder. Now, you will create a Docker file within your project folder. Use a text editor to create a new file named Docker file. Start by specifying the base image by adding from Python 3.12 slim. This line indicates that your Docker image will be built using the official Python image. Set the working directory for your application by adding workdir/app. Copy your project files into the container with setpye/app. Then install the necessary dependencies by adding ron pip install dash no cache did Claude Code Python dot, and optionally you can set an environment variable by including emcalod underscore API underscore key equal sign your underscore AP underscore key underscore here, replacing your underscore API underscore key. Finally, specify the default command that runs when the container starts with cmd by farm Claude underscore task.py, ensuring to replace quote Claude underscore task.py quote with your specific Python script. After setting up the Docker file, you will add your Claude Code script. Create a file named quote Claude underscore task.py quote in the same project folder. In this script, start by importing the necessary modules. Import os from .tens import load underscore .tens import Claude underscore code. Use load underscore .tens import to load environment variables. Then create a client instance with client equals client underscore code, client APK KK. Write a command to generate a response by adding response equals client generate write a Python function to reverse a string, followed by print response to output the result to the terminal. Next, you will build the Docker image using the commands Docker build -t Claude underscore code underscore code underscore code underscore app option names your container image, making it easier to reference in future commands. After executing this command, you will see output in the terminal indicating the progress of the image build process. Wait for this process to complete before proceeding. Once the image is built, you can run the container by executing docker run -rm Claude underscore code underscore app. The MM option ensures that the container is removed after it finishes running. You should see the output from your Claude Code script appear in the terminal. If you wish to edit your scripts outside the container, you can map your project folder by using the command docker run -rm -vc. Users, your name's Claude Docker, app Claude underscore code underscore app. This command mounts your project folder into the Docker container, allowing you to make changes to your scripts directly from your host system. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.